Hi, I'm Samuel, and here is a really quick demo on how some of the world's fastest growing B2B brands are scaling their content operations with AI teammates. So in this demo, I'm going to take you through how we at Brand Ninja are actually using Brand Ninja to scale ourselves on search and social. You can see here under the one account, we have multiple brands. So you can set up your firm brand, but also any sub-brands, any personal brands, any professionals that you want to turn into thought leaders, all very possible under the one single pane of glass. Setting up a brand is incredibly simple. So determining is it business, is it personal, connecting up your website, your LinkedIn, setting any goals, what you want your content ops to actually do for your business. We'll then distill your LinkedIn and your website into 15 stylistic fields. These fields will self-optimize based on the feedback that you give the content that the platform creates for you. You can also add any additional sources, links, websites, competitors, historical content to inform the brand intelligence too. We'll get a bit of an overview, what makes you different, what your segmentation looks like, what they care about, any key brand rules, and also a visual guideline too to inform templates, visual and video content. So incredibly quick, but also high fidelity. And the most important thing is that Brand Ninja learns on the go as well. So once that's done, we're straight into creating content. Brand Ninja is based on the idea of content types. So for B2B brands, consultants, lawyers, accountants, any professional services, investors, we have a whole set of pre-built content types that are designed to perform for you, from case studies to day in the life to how-to guides, insights, behind the scenes, key takeaways. And of course, you can build out custom content types and series for your brand as well. You can also assign content types to your AI teammate to actually create autonomously for you by connecting them up to data, or you can create them yourselves in Copilot mode too. So I'll demo a content type that is autonomously created and posted for us each week here at Brand Ninja HQ, and that is a weekly wrap. So I'll call it a wrap. I've selected the content type. You can connect up any off-the-shelf source, so Perplexity, Google News, but we can also connect to your brand data, your website, your CMS, any core internal resources that you might have. I'll just pick Perplexity search. I'll say AI and media news and updates from the past week. So now my AI teammate will go out, look at Perplexity, find the key news and updates across AI and media over the past week, and use that source data to create a thought leadership post for us. I'll say I want to do that as a blog, and also I want a LinkedIn post too. Connect up any visual content that you might want to do. Standard for the blog, I'll just do a standard image here, and then for the LinkedIn post, I might just do a bit of a thought leadership template here as well. For the schedule, I'll say weekly on a Friday at, let's say, around now, end of day, and then I'll test content. So this is a bit of a dry run, a bit of a test to see how my AI teammate goes out, find what's happening in the news cycle, and creates content based on that. When I'm happy with the configuration, I can then set it to a planned post, and then this will self-execute every Friday as part of our content plan. It'll ping me when it's in the queue for me to review. And if I don't have to tweak it too much, I'll just click post and away it goes. So as you can see here, it's used Perplexity to find the source data. It's now generating content based off that source, a blog and a LinkedIn post. It's now generating the images. Here is the top developments in AI and media this week. Fantastic. You can also view the source too. So this is actually what's been returned from Perplexity Sonar, so you can fact check it. And as you can see here, it's also in the blog. And of course, the blog comes with SEO data ready to be posted straight to our CMS, optimized to rank and perform. It's also using ChatGPT 4.0 image gen to create some visuals for us here. Of course, you can connect up your Google Drive, any resource that your human content team uses to create content. You can also connect up to the platform. Here we go. So ChatGPT Image Gen has used ChatGPT Image Gen to create a picture of ChatGPT Image Gen. There's a bit of a meta experience there, which is cool. But it's also used LinkedIn template here too, which is great. I'm pretty happy with this. I'm going to say, yep, this is cool. I now want to do one of these every single Friday. I'm going to click Save Post. And as you can see, it's now on the content plan, ready to go. I have a few versions. And every Friday I can go in and check and see, okay, here's my blog, here's my LinkedIn post, let's go. Now, as I mentioned, Brand Ninja also learns from feedback too. So you can go in and say, hey, I want to make this more concise, or I'll delete that, or I'll tweak this. And we'll track these changes and optimize for a lower edit ratio and a higher approval rate next time too. Now, that's just one example of getting an AI teammate to carry out a content goal for me autonomously. We can also work in co-pilot mode too. So as you can see, last month we did a lot of team member spotlights of behind the scenes with the team. That's just a case of saying, hey, on a Tuesday, I want to do a team member spotlight, and then the AI will prompt me to create that with the visual template, and away we go. Brand Ninja will also get engagement data back too. So over the past 30 days, I've posted 13 times. That's 85% up on what I did last month. I've got an audience score of 42. I've got an approval rate of 27%. So the platform is learning and improving, and we can run these analytics for any brand in the account too. As you can see, we work across any media, any format, and any channel. So connect up your Instagram, TikTok, website, LinkedIn, full stack. So that's just a little bit of a demo on how Brand Ninja works and how the platform can scale any content team, any individual into an industry authority, a thought leader, and enable you to create content at the speed of culture. So hope that's been valuable, and we'll look forward to seeing you in the next video. Cheers.